day 9, the AI deleted production database. July 2025, a founder named Jason Lemkin was letting an AI agent build his product. The system was in a code freeze, nothing was supposed to touch the production. Agent ran the delete command anyways. It wiped records of over 1200 executive and nearly 1200 companies. Then it told him the rollback would not work. The rollback worked. He got the data back himself. The AI was even wrong about being wrong. Now this is where you expect me to say, see, AI cannot do infrastructure, your job is safe. I will not say that. It is a lie, and lies do not help your career. AI can do the infrastructure, it is doing it right now. It writes the Terraform, it writes the pipeline, it writes the Kubernetes YAML, and this is exactly why cloud and DevOps is one of the safest career you can pick today. If you are new here, hi, my name is Piyush. I'm a cloud engineer at Google and I have over 14 years of experience in IT. And in this channel, we talk and work on cloud and DevOps and AI. 3 stories for today: the good, the bad, and the ugly. And 2 loops I will close before you leave. 1. Google CEO says 75% of the new code at Google is written by AI. One word in this sentence changes everything. 2. There is one group of engineers AI is really hurting right now, and it is not who you think. Let us start with the good. April 2026, Sundar Pichai writes a blog post. 75% of all new code at Google is now AI generated. Last year it was 50%. Now read the full sentence, not the headline. 75% of all new code at Google is now AI generated and approved by engineers. There is your word, approved and new code. An engineer puts their name on that code before it reaches production, and the amount of code they must check just went up. So AI did not remove a step, it removed the slowest step, typing. Everything after typing got busier. DORA is Google's yearly research on software delivery. Their 2025 report surveyed nearly 5,000 engineers. 90% use AI at work, and for the first time, DORA found AI increases throughput. More changes shipped faster and every single day. So ask the simple question, who catches all the changes when they land in production? Now look at the job market, not at opinions. Datadog is an observability company, right? In 2 years, they grew their engineering team by 68%. Their reason, in their own words, AI agents are driving demand for observability through the roof. And OpenAI, yes, the company selling you the AI, reportedly spent over $170 million on Datadog last year, just to watch what its own system are doing in production. Because building a system and understanding a system are 2 different skills. DORA also found 90% of companies now run an internal platform. Their conclusion is platform engineering is the foundation. Somebody builds that platform, that is your job. The good in one line, AI made writing code cheap. So everything after writing code becomes valuable. And everything after writing code is cloud and DevOps. Now the bad. Same report, same 5,000 engineers, second finding. AI makes delivery less stable. Here is how I would say it. AI does not fix a team, it makes a team more of what it already is. Good team with tests and rollback, AI make them faster. Weak team, no test, manual deploys, AI make them break faster. So testing, Git, CI/CD, rollback, observability, this is not the boring part before the AI part. This is the difference between AI helping you and AI hurting you. Now, second thing, October 20th, 2025, AWS US East 1 goes down. The race condition in the DNS automation for DynamoDB. Old data overwrote new data, a cleanup job then deleted the records. Roughly 15 hours. EC2, Lambda, ECS, EKS, Fargate, half the internet stopped. Now listen carefully. This was not AI. Nobody has said AI caused it. I'm showing it to you for the opposite reason. This is what human written automation does when nobody understands how it fails. Now imagine that automation being written 5 times faster. The bad in one line, AI increased the speed of change. It did not increase the speed of safety. Now the ugly part. I promise I will not soften this. I will be very transparent with you. Stanford's Digital Economy Lab published a study called Canaries in the Coal Mine. They used real payroll data from the largest payroll company in America, not a survey, actual salary record. Workers aged 22 to 25 in their jobs most exposed to AI saw a 13% drop in employment compared to everyone else. Software engineering is on that list. Now the part that matters. Same study, experienced worker in the same jobs stayed stable, or grew. So the honest sentence is not AI is taking engineering job. It is AI is taking the work that fresher used to be hired for. If your plan was get a job, close easy ticket for 2 years, learn slowly on the company time, that ladder has lost its bottom 3 steps. Now in the same 2026 job report where freshers are struggling, Google advertised 62% more engineering roles than year before. More jobs, fewer for beginners. Both true. This is the market you are walking into. One more ugly thing, and this one goes against the AI hype. Klarna in 2024, they said their AI assistant was doing the work of 700 full-time agents. Their headcount shrank and they gave AI the credit. By 2025, they were hiring humans again. Their CEO said it openly. We focus too much on the efficiency and cost. The result was lower quality, and this is not sustainable. Everybody takes the comforting lesson. AI overpromised, humans came back. Take the uncomfortable one instead. The team shrank before anybody checked the quality. Companies cut first and then they check later. So being right about AI's limit does not protect you. Being needed protects you. Now let me close both the loops. Two findings, same report. AI increases throughput, AI reduces stability. We are creating changes faster than we are creating safety. AI cannot fix that because AI is causing it. Every extra line of AI code makes the gap bigger. So whose job is that gap? Testing, Git, CI/CD, observability, rollback, incident, platform engineering. This is not close to DevOps. This is DevOps. So here are 3 things AI cannot do in your job. 1, it cannot judge how much will break. AI can suggest deleting a namespace. It does not know that namespace run payments for your bigger customer in 3 regions. That understanding comes from production, not from prompts. 2, it cannot be surprised. A good engineer look at the graph and feel something is wrong before they can even explain why. 3, and this one is not technical. It cannot be responsible when US East 1 went down. A human wrote the postmortem RC and everything. A human faced the customer. A human decided to roll back knowing it might be the wrong call. AI cannot carry a pager. We trust people because people face consequences. So read Sundar Pichai's sentence one last time. AI generated and approved by human. Approval is the human act. It carries risk, and the risk is where the value is. So what do you do now? The ticket ladder is gone. So build the system ladder. Do not practice writing YAML. AI writes YAML. Deploy something on Minikube, kill a pod, and write down why it broke. Learn observability like it is your first language, and use AI hard, but check everything. Make it teach you what it does, why it does. Human approves, and approval carry consequences, and consequences carry salary. I'm not telling you this is easy. The bar moved up. You now have to understand production, not memorized all the commands. But the machine got very good at building things. They did not get good at being responsible for them. So that job has your name on it. Go take it. If the video helped, subscribe and let me know in the comment which part hits the hardest. And let me know what type of video or which next video you want me to cover on, and I'll start working on it. Thank you so much for watching. Happy learning. I'll see you soon.